In this video, I'm going to walk you through my repair process on this Volkswagen Tiguan.
She's smooth, boy.
Big, fat, juicy dent in the side of this Volkswagen Tiguan with this nice Florida morning dew on it. Getting my squeegee out, get this thing looking nice and crispy. First thing we're going to do is get the tail light out, a couple torque screws, bolts, whatever you want to call them. Real easy, take them outer. I'm gonna remove this liner, couple same little Torx bolts, heating this up, and I'm gonna get elbow deep in this quarter panel with my glove on while it's hot, and we're gonna bulk out a lot of it, pushing primarily on that body line where all the strength is held in. You can see where all of the smile is still there, primary and secondary smile on this fat, juicy dent. The tool that I'm going to use the most on this repair is going to be the King Slayer from Dent Slayer in an R8 tip at first. Then we're going to go down to the nylon tip, low profile Dent Slayer tip, and then we're going to go to bare metal. This whole repair is going to be finding what the metal wants to give us. If it wants to give us some pushes, we're going to push. If it doesn't want to give us any more pushes and we're fighting it, then we need to start knocking down. So we're going to try to fix this dent from every possible angle. You can see me cheating it with a 45 degree from top to bottom. Then I'm going to flip it back up, bottom to top. A little secret, a lot of Volkswagens have factory access plugs inside the wheel wells if you remove the liner. Getting the taillight back together, real easy. Cover, pop back on, and look at her, boy. S-H-E-S-M-O-O. She's smooth, boy. Yes, sir. Look at her. Oh, my goodness.
She's smooth, boy.